Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I am sharing my chocolate scones recipe. Yes, you heard that right, but before starting, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you love chocolate as much as I do, watch out for this most indulgent breakfast treat. This scone recipe is perfect for breakfast, brunch or dessert. My basic scone recipe promises uniquely crisp and buttery scones with crumbly corners and soft flaky interior. So today I'm bringing it back to the basics and showing you exactly how to make homemade chocolate scones. These scones come together in about 15 minutes and they only take 20 minutes to bake in the oven. These chocolate scones are so easy to put together, plus when you bake them, your kitchen will smell like fresh baked brownies for the rest of the day. With Christmas and winter months comes warmth, our love for all things cozy and the desire to eat chocolate scones. And it's time to head to the kitchen and whip up as many Christmas treats as possible. One heavenly bite of these chocolate scones and you won't stop wondering why haven't you been eating more of these. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, do share it in the comment section below. Bye!